sneeze. Then he heard noises. Somebody was pulling up the cover down. It was a big, hairy bear. No, it didn't have any claws. It was a fast, hairy cat. No, it didn't have a tail. It was a big, scowly owl. No, it didn't have a beak. Yes, Mom. Mom put the pillow straight. She tucked Jake in nice and tight. Sure, the